In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Wix templates. We'll cover everything from leveraging the Wix marketplace to utilizing popular online platforms to make your templates a success. So, if you've designed some beautiful Wix templates and are eager to share them with the world while earning some revenue, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First, if you're a Wix partner, you're in luck. Being a part of this community opens the door to a whole new world of opportunities. As a Wix partner, you have the unique advantage of submitting your studio templates directly to the marketplace. This platform exposes your creations to a wider audience, which can significantly enhance your chances of making sales. It's also worth mentioning that as a partner, you enjoy various benefits, such as priority support and revenue sharing. These perks not only support your business growth, but also help streamline the entire process of selling your templates, giving you more time to focus on what you love, designing. But what if you're not a Wix partner or looking to expand your reach even further? Well, you can certainly sell your templates on your own website. This route allows you to maintain control over the sales process and keep all the profits. To start, you'll need to create a downloadable zip file of your template. This file will be what customers purchase and download, so ensure it's easy to use and includes any necessary installation instructions. Alternatively, you might want to explore platforms that specialize in digital product sales, such as Envato or Gumroad. These platforms are well established and provide an existing customer base actively searching for digital products like yours. Setting up your store on such platforms can be a game changer, providing exposure to potential buyers worldwide who are interested in web design resources. To boost your reach and engagement, marketing plays a crucial role. Utilize email marketing by sending newsletters to potential buyers or existing customers, alerting them about new templates or special promotions. Social media is another powerful tool. Use platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to showcase your designs visually. Share beautifully curated posts or stories that highlight the features and benefits of your templates. This not only increases visibility, but also helps establish your brand as a go-to resource for top-notch Wix templates. By exploring these strategies, you can pave the way for selling Wix templates effectively. Whether through the Wix marketplace, your own site, or digital platforms, the key lies in maximizing exposure and utilizing marketing tools to spread the word about your designs. Remember, success in selling templates relies heavily on how well you can reach and connect with your target audience, so make use of all the resources and strategies at your disposal. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found these insights helpful in your journey to selling your Wix templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy designing and selling.